Hi friends, welcome to my word processing class using Microsoft Office Word for Beginners Day 1. I am your facilitator, Sakawaka, spelled Sakawaka, and I'm very excited having you join my tutorial. I do not take that for granted. I love you, and I promise to offer you the best learning experience as a journey to becoming a professional word processing personnel. Now, I will start from the very scratch of telling you what Microsoft Office Word is all about, how to open it, and how to interact with the Microsoft Office Word interface. I'm using Microsoft Office Word version 2019. However, I believe you should have a similar interface with mine, irrespective of the version you are using, starting from version 207 and above. Now, Microsoft Office Word is a word processor, and by word processor, I mean it is an application that enables you to create, edit, and format Word documents such as letters, articles, and memos. Microsoft Office Word happens to be the most renowned word processor. However, it is not the only one, as we have other word processors such as the Google Docs, the Corel Word Perfect, and even Wordpad. So, with that being said, we are just fortunate having Microsoft Office Word being the dominating word processor in the market currently, and thanks to Bill Gates for that. So let's go straight into it. For you to open Microsoft Office Word, there are so many ways you can go about it, but the fastest that I've come to realize is using the search button or the search bar. This is embedded in almost all the operating systems I've worked with, especially the Windows operating system. So here is my search. For Windows 8 and Windows 10, you have to hover around the left or right corner of your Windows, of your desktop rather. But for this window that I'm using, here is my search. So I'll click on search and type Word, WORD. When you type on it, you see Word, you see this icon right. This is the Word icon. So you click on it and then it opens. Like I said, I'm using the version 2019. So when you open the Word, when it opens, you will be faced with this interface. Don't get intimidated by it, as I will explain what each and everything you are looking at this screen right now to you. So when you open, you have the home, you have the new, you have the open, and then you have this other segment here, which I'll be talking about in the advanced part of this course. So for now, irrespective of the version you have, you should have these three things which are fundamental. Now for the home, you have the blank document, and then you have these other ones that are templates. And then you have a recent and pinned. The blank document is saying that if you want to create a document from the scratch, you have the layout, you have the content, you know what to do, then you click on the blank document to enable you start from the scratch. However, if you want to create something and you don't want to go through the stress of creating the layout, formatting, all those stuff, you just want a predefined template for you, then you have templates here. All you have to do is just put in your content and the layout is already there for you. So moving on to recent, this particular recent is talking about all the recent documents I have created in a chronological order that starts from the newest to the oldest recent document. So the latest document I've created is this about Sakawaka, which I created 8 minutes ago, as you can see the date here, and then followed by this Sakawaka one, which was created 22 minutes ago. So each of them, you see the date and the time they are created. Let me scroll. All right, you can see them like this Saka doc was created yesterday, and then this take one was created on Tuesday, in that order. So you see that the latest is the one on top, followed by in that order. And now you have the pin there. Now, these pinned are documents that you want to remain here in the home, irrespective. Now, for this recent, they keep being replaced by the latest document you create. But if I pin my document here, as long as this Microsoft Office Word exists, that document will remain here for easy access. If I want to open it, if I want to modify it, I just come to pinned and it will be here, which means I don't have to look for the folder where it is created. I just open Microsoft Word and come to this pinned, and I will be able to open it just immediately. So let me pin this about Saka Waka. You see this pin icon here, right? So if I click on this pin, this item to the list, if I click on this pin, as you can see, it is pinned now, just now. So this icon, you see this circle that is crossed, telling me that I have pinned it, and if I click on it, I will unpin the item from the pinned list. So new, okay, let me show you the pinned now. When you click on it, you see that about Sakawaka that I pinned is now here. So even though I create 30 documents today, they will not replace this about Sakawaka. Rather, they will keep on updating my recent documents. So back to forward to new. I'm excited, and like I said, I appreciate you taking this course with me. You are very important. And during the course of this tutorial, if there's anything you do not understand or you feel like I should throw more light on, please don't be scared, don't be shy, don't feel intimidated to DM me, and I will be happy. I will do it with excitement, recording a fresh video for you just to explain that concept. I will do it with all excitement. I value you. I appreciate you. I appreciate the fact that you take out of your time, your resources, your money to buy my content and to follow me online just to learn from me. You are a darling. And I promise anytime I see you physically, I will give you a big hug. All right, before I get emotional, for the new, now when you click on new, which is this, you have like the new, which is the same thing here, just that they elaborate more. You have the blank document, you have the template, and in case you are not satisfied with the template here, you can always search for more templates online. If the system is connected online, you just type the template and then you search, you see more templates. So like I said before, if I want to create a document from the scratch, I will click on blank document. You just see a blank page and then you start to work like you are building a house from the foundation. However, from my template, if I should use a template, that means the foundation is already laid. I'm just building on it, which means I have the layout of the document I want, and all I need to do is just to edit the content. The layout is already there, which makes it easier and faster compared to when you are creating a document from the very beginning. However, in the course of this tutorial, I will be using blank document. That is because I want you to know how to use Word from the scratch and then build your skill set to become a professional in the use of Microsoft Office Word. So let me move on to open. When you click on open, it means that you've created document before that you want to work on, that you want to edit or probably format. So not all the documents in your computer are listed under this recent. Not all of them, because they keep updating as you create more. However, if what you are looking for is not listed in this recent, and then you know where it is, you just come to open. Now you can see the recent here, right? If it is here as a recent document, you click on it, it will open. And then if you know where it is in the PC, you can just search it if you know the name. However, I love using the browse. This is because the browse gives me more control on how to search for my document. So I use this always, and that is why we take my time to teach you how the browse works. So many people get intimidated using the browse, but it is very easy. It is very easy. And thanks to the fact that you have me as a tutor to take you through the process of using the browse. So I'll click on the browse. When you click on it, you have this dialog box. Whenever this set of things pop up in computing, we call it dialog box. So when it opens here, I'll be able to click on where my document is stored, where I saved it. And usually I love saving my document in desktop, maybe because it's easier for me to access than going through documents and so on. So I'll click on desktop since what I'm looking for is saved in the desktop. And when I click on desktop, it will show me all the files and folders. Now, these are the three things you find on my desktop. I love my desktop being organized. So these are the three folders on my desktop. Meanwhile, I'm using OBS to record this teaching. OBS, Open Broadcasting Studio, or whatsoever. I can't remember the last name. Open Broadcast Software, I think. So in case you want to do on-screen recording, you can check them out. I love using the OBS, and I recommend it for any on-screen, even live streaming of content from your computer. You can try it out. So let's move on to why I'm here in the first place. So my document is saved in Sakawaka. I will just click on Sakawaka and then open it. When I open it, I have my file here, my document rather. Now, this is the only document in that folder, which is why it is the only thing you can see. So since I'm looking at it here, I don't need to type the file name because it is there. So I'll just click on the document about Sakawaka and then click open. Once I click on open, it will open that document. Before I do that, let me tell you that all this I will talk about the account feedback and options in the advanced part of this course. So if you want to learn more about it, follow me to the advanced stage. But for the beginners, let's make do with these three for now. So I'll click on open, and then go. Now you see that the about Sakawaka has been prepared before, and probably I want to print it. Maybe I want to correct some spelling if there's any spelling error. Just edit generally or add formatting such as color to my work. Yes, I want this one to be red, and so on. Whatsoever I want to do, I have opened the file. Yeah, and I know that I know that some people will be looking at my details now, asking, is it correct? Yes, everything typed here is correct about me. My full name is Sakaniyawo Kimeji Omonua, and I was birthed on the 23rd of February 1994. The Sakawaka that is my name was given to me by my university lecturer back then in the university, and I'm a proud Nigerian. As for my criminal record, I have none. I've never been arrested by the police, neither have I ever been arrested by anyone on uniform. I'm of good conduct. And I studied BSc Ed, computer science. My hobbies, I love eating. Yes, I eat a lot. I dance secretly in my bathroom, in my room when I'm alone. And I love teaching, just as I'm teaching you now. And I love computing. Woo! I love gaming. Yeah, I love gaming. I'm still planning on buying the latest version of PS. May the Lord help me. And as for marital status, I'm single. Why am I single? I'm not interested in marriage for now. So that is about getting started with Microsoft Office Word. In the next class, still on this day one, I will show you how to navigate and how to identify the various interface of Microsoft Office Word. Like right now, the whole thing is looking complicated. So follow me to the next video. And before I close this video, let me say, you are treasured. I love you, I care about you, and you are very, very important to me. I appreciate the fact that you take out of your time to follow through my tutorial. That is because somehow your instinct just believe in my ability to deliver this course, and I promise you, you will not regret it. If you have any question, please DM me. I'm begging you. Send me message. If you okay, my phone number, you can call me anytime. I will answer to put you through. That is to tell you how important you are to me. Even though it will take me recording a personalized video to explain that concept you are not clear with, I will do it with all gladness and joy. And I can't say it again. I can't overemphasize it, rather, that you are important. You are important to me. You are important to your family. You are important to the world. You are the best version of yourself. And I love you.